In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to get a discount by using our coupon code in Sunlu. So let's get started. First of all, you want to go here into the website by using the link in the description. Once you're here, is that you just simply need to check out a item right here. For example, I'm going to go into filaments and click here and probably right here. So basically, you can just add to cart these items right here if you'd want to purchase multiple. Or you could also just check out this one item. For example, let's say this one. I'm going to click here on select options. And once in the product page, you just simply need to select your location. Let's say USA, and then I'm going to choose the variant that I want to purchase. This one, I'm going to go for the quantity into 1. And then from here, you can add it to cart, or you could now go into the checkout page. So I'm going to check out this item. And then once you're here, the first thing that you want to do is go here into a discount code or gift card, but because you used our link, you will now be able to automatically use the coupon code that we have, which is a 10% discount. But don't worry if it's not automatically used or you didn't use the link. You can just type in extra 10 right here and click on apply, and it's basically the same thing. You'll still get the 10% discount. And then all that's left is to provide the payment information right here, and then click on pay now. And then once the payment has been processed, you have successfully purchased the item with our coupon code for a discount. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.